Okay, so let's start with something really simple. I'm just going to simply type hey and I'm just going to send this hey. And once I'm just going to send this hey, you're going to see that AI agent WhatsApp chatbot is replying. Hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm just going to say I am feeling hungry. Can you suggest something? So I'm just going to simply test the recommendations of this AI agent. Alright, I'm just going to simply send this message and as you can see it is asking me for some details like the spice preference and the rest of the details. Alright, so I'm just going to simply share this. I prefer mildly spicy food and I am vegetarian. So I'm just going to simply send this message. And once I'm just going to send this message, my AI agent is going to recommend me foods option right over here. So yes, you can see it has successfully recommended some dishes. So now I'm just going to simply type it's for a family dinner tonight. And I'm just going to simply send this message. And once I'm just going to send this message, it is going to automatically categorize the dishes according to a family dinner thing. Alright, so I'm just going to wait and as you can see it has successfully shared me the starters, main course and drinks. So it is saying that's wonderful for a mildly spicy vegetarian family dinner tonight at tandoori table. Here are the recommended meal combos. So it has created a personalized meal combo for me. And further, let's say I want to book a table. So I'm just going to simply type I want to book a table and I'm just going to send this message and once I'm just going to send this message, you're going to see that AI agent is going to suggest me how I can book a table at the tandoori table. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds and over here it is sharing me the reservation page and the rest of the details using which I can book the table at their restaurant. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI agent WhatsApp chatbot which we are going to create in today's video. And as you can see that I have already created this WhatsApp chatbot and you must be wondering how this chatbot knows so much about my business, like what are the menu options, what is the reservation page and all. So I have simply created a knowledge base and I have uploaded this knowledge base and using this knowledge base only this is suggesting me the food, or you can say using this knowledge base only the AI agent is replying me, and that's the reason that the answers are so accurate. So yes, let's move on further and see how we can create this amazing AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So to do this, we simply need Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow. So you simply have to follow all these steps and within 10 to 15 minutes, your AI agent WhatsApp chatbot will be ready. So yes, now after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we have to create this AI agent. But before we move on further, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips and doubts. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Without wasting any more time, let's move on further and create this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we have two options on the landing page. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and using this free trial you can create a WhatsApp chatbot too. Over here I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp for my business. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and to get started we simply have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So you don't have to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods. To add the WhatsApp number has been given in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number it is very easy. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here. So I'm just going to directly move on further and show you how we can create this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I'm just going to go towards this left end of the site of Pabbly Chatflow, and as you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. But in today's video, we are only going to focus on how to create an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm directly going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow, video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can move on further and check it. I'm just going to directly go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and we're going to see the total AI assistants which I've created, the active and the inactive one. So let's move on further and create an AI assistant from scratch. So to do this, I'm just going to simply click on this add AI assistant. Now I'm just going to simply name my AI assistant as AI agent for WhatsApp and click on this add AI assistant button. And once I'm just going to click on this add AI assistant button, yes, you can see a window something like this will appear in front of us. And now using this only, we're going to create an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot. First, we have to give the instructions to our AI agent. And if you wish, you can definitely select the instruction type as custom prompt and give a custom prompt right over here according to your needs and wants, and run this AI agent according to your specific choice. But we simply have some pre-built examples to ease this process. We have AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So according to your needs, you can also select a pre-built example. I'm just going to simply select a sales agent right over here. And now you can see once I select the instruction type as the pre-built example, the instructions are added right over here automatically. So if you wish, you can definitely add or delete some instructions from here. Now I'm just going to move on further. The next is this temperature. So you must be wondering, what is this temperature? So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move this temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it depends upon you how creative you want the AI answers. I'm just going to simply keep it as 0.3 right over here because I want more focused answers. Now I'm just going to move on further. For the AI to use, I'm just going to select Open AI. Now it is asking me for the model, so I'm just going to simply select it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice, it depends upon your needs. And now it is asking me for the API key. Alright, so to get this API key, we are simply going to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. Alright, so I'm just going to simply go towards my OpenAI API key page, and now from here we simply have to click on this create new secret key. Now we have to name the key. Let's say I'm just going to name this key as AI agent. Select the project and click on this create secret key button. And as you can see, the key has been created. So we simply have to copy this key and then we have to paste it right over here in our workflow like this. And after pasting this key, we simply have to click on this button which says connect. And as you can see, OpenAI key saved successfully. So with this, we have successfully saved this key, and now we can move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So we have multiple settings over here, and according to your needs, you can definitely set this. What you can do is, if you want to add a header message, you can simply switch it on, add the header message right over here. And same goes for the footer message too. You can add the header and the footer message according to your own choices. I'm just going to simply switch it off because this is not required and I don't want to add any header or a footer message. Now the next which we have is this top keywords. So over here you have to enter the keywords that the user is going to type and stop the AI assistant. So let's say your user has some query and the AI assistant is not able to answer that query. So what you can do is, you can simply keep a keyword right over here as human, and whenever your user is going to type human, your AI assistant is going to stop. The chat of that user will be moved towards the intervene section. And what is this intervene section? Further, the AI assistant is not going to respond to that user. A human or a manual review will be needed to move that chat back to the AI assistant or open that chat. And if you want to add the keyword, you simply have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword like this. I'm just going to keep it as blank only. Once again, this is not required. If you wish, you can definitely add this. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you have to specify the number of fallback attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. comments. So the valid range is between 1 to 10. You can set this according to your own choice. The next which we have is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So let's say user have some emergency and the AI assistant key is not responding. So you can simply add your support email address in this fallback message so that the user can contact you on your support email address. I'm just going to simply add the support email address right over here, and as you can see this is the same, so I'm simply going to add it and move on further. Now with this we have successfully completed this AI instructions. Now I'm just going to move towards this knowledge source. So like I told you, this knowledge source is really crucial in creating the AI agent. So you have to keep in mind that you create this knowledge source very perfectly and with all the details of your business. Alright, so I have already created this knowledge source for my own restaurant, which is the tandoori table, and I'm just going to simply upload this knowledge source over here in this AI assistant. Alright, so over here I'm just going to simply upload a file, and I'm just going to let you know only TXT and PDF formats are supported. So you must be wondering how we can convert it in TXT or PDF. So I'll just simplify it for you. You can simply add your knowledge base in a Google Doc, go towards this file and then download. And after coming over here towards this download, you can simply download this file in plain text format, which is TXT format. So as you can see that I've successfully downloaded it. If you wish, you can definitely download it in PDF format too. Pabbly supports TXT and PDF both, but TXT is preferred because for PDF we don't have page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, it limits up to 10 pages. Alright, so I'll just suggest you go for TXT format. If you wish, then you can go for PDF too. I'm just going to simply upload my knowledge source right over here. I'm just going to go towards this choose a file, and I'm just going to simply upload my knowledge source which I downloaded right now, which is this the tandoori table. And as you can see, I have successfully uploaded this knowledge source right over here, and now you can see over here is the proof of uploading this knowledge source. Now with this we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source, so we can move on further towards this AI interface. Now it is saying header display heading name. So over here you can enter the name which is the brand name. Alright, so I'm just going to simply add my brand name, which is the tandoori table. So yes, you can see it is going to reflect right over here too. Now for the subheading, if you wish, you can definitely change it. I'm just going to keep it as same only. Now the next is this initial message. So as you can see right now we have only a single initial message, but if you want to add two initial messages, you can simply type the initial message and press enter, and the initial message will be added right over here. You can add maximum of two initial messages only. I'm just going to keep it as one only and move on further. The next which we have is this powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely enable it right over here and disable it right over here according to your own choice, and it is going to disappear or appear according to your choice only. Now next which we have is this footer text and footer link. So if you wish to add a footer text like this privacy policy, you can simply add it right over here, and same goes for the footer link. You can simply add the footer link too in this. And now the next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm just going to simply keep it as hey, I need help. Alright, now with this we have successfully completed this AI interface. Now I'm just going to go towards this styling. So over here you can style your AI agent. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, the text colors, button colors, font, background and much more. You can simply style your AI assistant, upload images and much more. It depends upon your choice how you want to customize this. As you can see, you can simply change all of this right from here. So yes, I'm just going to keep it as this only and move on further, and with this we have successfully created our AI agent. Like I promised you, between 10 to 15 minutes we have successfully created this AI agent, and you can also create this for your business. But now it is not going to run. You have to wait for a few seconds in order to run this. What we have to do is we simply have to switch on this button right over here and activate this AI agent, and now we simply have to click on this save AI assistant, and now with this we have successfully saved this AI assistant. But let's see how this AI assistant is going to run. You have to assign this AI assistant to your user, and how you're going to assign assign this. For that, you have to go towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm just going to simply open it in a new tab. And as you can see that this is the inbox section. And from here, I'm just going to, let's say, simply assign this to this demo. So I'm just going to simply go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI agent for WhatsApp to this demo. I'm just going to click on this save. And as you can see that now we have successfully assigned this AI agent. And now whenever this demo is going to send a message, automatically AI agent is only going to reply. Alright, but it is such a tedious task to assign the AI agent to all your contacts. So how you can assign to all your contact at once? So for that, you have to go towards this settings from the left hand of the side and then towards this inbox settings. After coming over here towards this inbox settings, you simply have to scroll, and over here you simply have to switch on this enable AI auto replies. Over here you can simply select the contact list and the AI assistant you want to assign, and automatically to all the contacts which you have in this list, this AI assistant is only going to respond. You simply have to click on this button which says save, and with this we have successfully assigned this particular AI assistant to all the contacts in this list, which is my customers list. If you want to create a new contact list, you can simply go towards this contact section and create one. Now further, if you want to add this AI agent on your website, you can simply go towards this embedded. You're going to get the script using this. You can add this on your website too. Now after creating this AI assistant, let's test this once again, and this time I'm just going to also ask some direct questions from this FAQ section of my knowledge source. And I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and say, hey, I need help. So I'm just going to simply type, hey, I need help. And this time I'm just going to ask some FAQs, which is frequently asked questions. I'm just going to open my knowledge source, and let's say I'm just going to ask this question, which is, do you offer home delivery outside the city limits? And I'm just going to simply send this message. And as you can see, it is replying me, we deliver up to 12 kilometers from our outlet. And as you can see, this is the same answer which I was written right over here in my knowledge source. So now let's ask another question, which is, do you host birthdays or corporate parties? And let's wait for the reply of this AI agent, and it is saying, yes, we do host birthdays and corporate parties. And for packages and more details, please reach out to our event team at this. So yes, it is sharing the details of the other teams too if we want to reach them. So as you can see, yes, this AI assistant is running in real time. First, I showed you how it is offering me recommendations about the dishes I can have today, and now you can see that it is answering FAQs too. So now I'll suggest you go and try this amazing AI agent for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and you're going to get 100 credits to explore this application. So go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot right now. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.